Okay, today's lesson is from Monday, October 24th, 2011. We're going to start today by making sure that any students who are absent on Friday are able to get started with their exam. We did have an exam on Friday, and those of you who are not here will be taking that at the back of the room. You'll be logging into your computers. You'll click on this Aware Online Testing link for Friday and your weekly agendas. When you click on that, it'll take you to a login screen with your student ID and password. You'll obviously put your student ID here with the password that you created on Wednesday of last week. Remember, I had everyone come up to my desk and put in a password. If you weren't one of those people, it's going to be really important that you get a password from me right away and you log in to this online testing. Once you guys are logged in, you'll complete the test. It's called the Force exam, and when you're done completing it, it'll have an option for you to submit your score. So you can submit to be scored. So at the bottom right, you'll submit that and it will automatically score it for you, and I can get you that score before you leave today. So some of you will be at the back working on that. Really important that you're not talking. If you're talking, I'm going to assume you're cheating and I'm going to give you a 0. So pay attention to that. The rest of us will be giving back some progress reports. If you have any zeros, it's going to be your responsibility to get onto a desktop and print out whatever worksheet you have a 0 for, and get any information with regards to the YouTube videos that you'll need to complete that worksheet. Now, I know you can't access YouTube here at school, so I actually have the videos on a USB, and I'll be glad to pass that around through the room as people are working on their assignments. The other thing that you'll want to do is, once you've printed that out, talk to me about how you can go about getting partial credit for that assignment. They are, most of them, past 3 days late, and I'm supposed to be giving you a 0 for that, so we're going to discuss how you're going to go about getting partial credit for them. It's really important to me that you understand that they are late, and it's going to require more than just the worksheets. You'll probably have to do some writing assignment in association with that worksheet to get credit for it. The people who are done with all their work on this progress report, they don't have any zeros, will have access to the computers to go to the homework, which is a Cinch Science online reading assignment, just like the last one we did. You'll click on this link here to the right for Cinch Science reading assignment on vectors, and it will take you to the login. Remember, your username and password is unique to you, so if you forgot this username and password, I can give it to you before you leave today. Those of you who do not have a computer at home, really important that you do this here today in class and you log in and you actually print off of one of the desktops at the back of the room the reading assignment, so you can still do it even though you don't have internet at home. Once you log in, you'll go to this screen and you'll have a big block here for the lesson pages, the reading assignment on physics vectors. You'll click on that and it will take you to your reading assignment. You'll go ahead and read through the initial section. It has some example problems you should pay attention to. Look at how they solved them. Don't just skim through it. Try to understand what's going on with it. Remember, I do expect you to make at least one note, one highlight, and one discussion each time we have one of these reading assignments. What you're going to be responsible for is inputting answers to these first 4 questions in the practice problem section. It needs to be done by tomorrow. So again, those of you who have zeros on progress reports, this is something you'll have to do at home tonight. Those of you who have no issues on your progress report can actually skip ahead and start working on this assignment in class. And if you do have questions, remember, you can all email me and I'll get back to you as soon as I possibly can. Okay, so that's all that we're going to be doing today. If you have any questions, by all means, please address those before you leave class today.